English vocabulary. Emotions and feelings. Joyful. Joyful. I felt so joyful when I saw my family after a long time. Content. Content. After completing the project, I felt content with my work. Upset. Upset. She was upset when she found out that she had lost her wallet. Angry. Angry. He was angry when someone scratched his car. Frustrated. Frustrated. He was frustrated with the slow internet connection. Anxious. Anxious. She was anxious about her job interview. Surprised. Surprised. He was surprised by the gift his girlfriend gave him. Worried. Worried. He was worried about the outcome of his exam. Nervous. Nervous. The elderly patient was nervous before the surgery. Jealous. Jealous. She was feeling jealous when she saw me chatting with another girl. Envious. Envious. The girl was envious of her friend eating chocolate in front of her while she was on a diet. Embarrassed. Embarrassed. I was so embarrassed when I tripped and fell in front of everyone. Guilty. Guilty. She couldn't help but feel guilty when she accidentally broke her friend's favorite vase. Ashamed. Ashamed. She was ashamed of her behavior at the party. Bored. Bored. The girl was bored and tired of being at home because there was nothing interesting to do. Disgusted. Disgusted. The smell of the garbage made me feel disgusted. Shocked. Shocked. I was shocked to hear the news of the plane crash. Excited. Excited. I'm so excited to go on a road trip with my friends next weekend. Grateful. Grateful. I'm so grateful for the help you gave me. Proud. Proud. He was proud of himself for winning the award. Hopeful. Hopeful. I'm hopeful that things will get better soon. Optimistic. Optimistic. He remained optimistic even when things were going wrong. Pessimistic. Pessimistic. She had a pessimistic outlook on life. Confused. Confused. I'm confused about what to do next. Curious. Curious. He was curious about the new restaurant that had opened in the neighborhood. Depressed. Depressed. He felt depressed after losing his job. Lonely. Lonely. The man felt lonely at the party because he didn't have any friends to spend time with. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. I'm so overwhelmed with all the work that needs to be done. Insecure. Insecure. She felt insecure about her appearance. Irritated. Irritated. She was irritated by the constant noise outside.